Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to create a GitHub folder and how to upload all your projects. Like first you need to log in with your credentials. Then you need to go to top of the black bar. Here you can see your profile. Then you can see below that there is a drop down bar, new repositories, import repository, new guest, new organization. I'll explain them later. First, I'm going to explain how to create a repository and put how to pull the project there. And first, click on the first option, create new repository. And there you can mention any project's names. Like I'm going to name it as Java programs. Then this is the repository name. You can add the descriptions like all hackathon programs. Right? Here's a wish. You can add any name there, and if you want to be your GitHub link should like that project should be public or private. You can choose anything. I'm choosing public here. That like no anybody can access those files of that program that you have written. Then you can see three options as add a readme file, add .git and then choose a license. First, if you are a beginner, you need to choose add a readme file. Then you need to click on this create repository file. After creating the repository file, it will be navigating to this page. You can see here readme file. One readme file has been created, and you can see branch and main and everything tags. These are the when anyone tag something, if your programs related to their branch, or they can pull the projects from you. And you can see go to files here and go add new files. This is the project code. If anyone wants to download your project, they can download here. And there, if you want to upload the files, like if you want to upload any project here, you have to come here. Then you have to upload file or create a new you can create a new file. I'm going to show how you can create a new file. Like suppose Java. After Java you need to add readme file, readme.md. For creating a folder you need to have the structure java slash anything, any name should slash dot readme dot md. Then you can find it. I mean, it's optional. You can anything you can do. And just now I have created one folder here like Java, and I'm going to upload files. Here you can choose your file by clicking this option, or you can drop that any file. You can drop it from your folder. For example, I'm taking this as an example. I'm dropping this file here like this. You can see the file is dropped and uploaded. Then you need to commit this file. This is not the ending, and finally you need to commit this file. Then you can find, after committing, you can find the projects has been added here. This is how you create a folder and add the projects. And another method is like you can upload the projects using um, terminal git dash. I will upload all those commands in the next videos. How to upload the projects using git bash. Like, thank you for watching my